This video will be the even problems on page 2-21 and 2-22. So just a reminder, we are putting polynomials, so lots of terms, in standard form, meaning you start with your highest exponent and work your way down. So all we're doing is rearranging in number 2. So we need to start with n squared, then minus 8n, and then plus 14. Number 4, we have an exponent of 4 for our highest, so 7w to the 4th needs to go first, and then plus 8w squared and minus 2w. And for 6, it looks like we start with negative y to the 3rd. So don't forget, if you have a minus sign in front, that needs to come down as a negative. And then plus 4y squared minus 10y, and minus 27. Then we can combine our like terms. So we are adding. So the only reason there are parentheses is to separate the two different polynomials. When you're adding, you don't need to worry about those parentheses. You can just ignore them and put everything together. So negative 3a plus 2a would give me negative 1, so just a negative a. And then 16 minus 27 would give me negative 11. So negative a minus 11. For 10, negative 15 plus 8 would give me negative 7m. Negative 37 plus negative 1 or minus 1 would give me negative 38. So remember, we don't put a plus negative in our answer, just negative 7m minus 38. For 12, we have negative 8x squared plus 2x squared, so negative 6x squared. Positive 3x minus 3x, those go away. You do not need to put a plus 0. I will actually count it wrong if you put a plus 0. And for 14, we have 5r squared plus 3r squared, which gives me 8r squared. 7r plus 8r would be plus 15r. Negative 6 minus 1, negative 7, so minus 7. And 16, negative 8p squared minus 3p squared, negative 11p squared. Negative 8p plus 1p would be negative 7p. And then 11 minus 25 would be minus 14. When we subtract, you need to remember to distribute the negative. You're subtracting the whole thing. So I highly recommend rewriting the first one exactly how it is without the parentheses and then distributing the negative sign or a negative 1 if that helps you. So it becomes minus 11x and plus 6. Negative and negative make it plus 6. Then we just match up 3 minus 11 gives me negative 8x. Negative 11 plus 6 would give me negative 5. So negative 8x minus 5. Number 20, rewrite it. Then distribute the negative or the negative 1. So minus 18 plus 7p. So we have a negative 7 and a positive 7. So those cancel out. 1 minus 18 would give us negative 17. So it's possible that you have just a number for an answer. In this case, negative 17. 22, 2r to the 3rd plus 8. That one doesn't change. Then we distribute minus 1 minus 6r to the 3rd. So 2 minus 6 gives me negative 4r to the 3rd. 8 minus 1 would give me plus 7. And 24 and 26. 3v plus v squared minus 4. Then again, we're going to distribute minus 8 minus 4v squared minus 2v. So in standard form, we need to start with v squared. So 1 minus 4 would give me negative 3v squared. 3v minus 2v would give me plus 1v. Again, you don't need the 1. And then negative 4 minus 8 would give us minus 12. 26, I'm going to rewrite it. Negative 5 minus 6y minus 3y squared. Distribute the negative, so minus 5y plus 4y squared plus 2. So we have negative 3 plus 4 would give me positive 1y squared. You don't need to write the 1. Negative 6 minus 5 is negative 11y. Negative 5 plus 2 would give me negative 3. Go ahead and pause and try the rest of them that are all mixed together, and then come back and check your answers. For 28, it's subtraction. So 5m minus 8 plus m. So again, you're distributing through a negative 1. So 5 plus 1 would give me 6m. Negative 8 minus 8 gives me negative 16. Those do not cancel out. So 6m minus 16. Number 30 is addition, so you can just match them up. 8v squared, and then either plus a negative or minus 11v squared, however you want to see that. Negative 3v squared. 2v minus 2v, those two cancel out, so you're just left with negative 3v squared. 32 is addition, so you're just matching them up. Start with your n squared. Negative 5 plus 4 would be negative 1, so just a negative sign, n squared. 1n minus 4n would give me minus 3n. 1 plus 6 would give me plus 7. And finally, 34 is subtraction, so I'm going to rewrite it. So rewrite your first one, distribute a negative, so minus 5c plus 8c squared minus 1. So we start with our c squareds. Negative 3 plus 8 would give me 5c squared. And then we have 8 minus 5 plus 3c. 2 minus 1 would be plus 1.